What we got going on today for Moonshine Wednesday? Well, today what we're going to do is we are going to make a sweet and tart cherry moonshine. I seen this recipe and I said, damn, that sounds good to me. Okay, but first, welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy and this is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. Okay. It's a very simple project. We got some canned sweet dark cherries. We got some tart cherry juice, some sugar, and some 100 proof moonshine. Okay, let's get started. So what's first? Well, first we want to open up the cans of cherries, and if I can get them open, yeah. And what we want to do is put them in a pot, heavy syrup and all this. These are sweet dark cherries and a heavy syrup. So we want it all in the pot. And I'll put the ingredients down in the description box, but this is 30 ounces of cherries. Looking good already. Okay, the next thing we're going to need is, I got 32 ounces, a quart of tart cherry juice. We're going to throw that in there too. Alright. And then we're going to need a half a cup of table sugar. And you, like always, you can adjust this part up and down the way you like. Alright, half a cup of that. And the only thing we need to do now, let's put some heat under that. And what we want to do is we want to heat all this up. Try to extract them flavors from them cherries. One thing I would like to do sometime is I'd like to get me some fresh cherries and maybe make my own like a cherry syrup to make this with. Well, I'll do that one day. So we just need to heat this up, and we want to just simmer it for just a few minutes. I mean, those cherries already been soaking in a heavy syrup. So let's let this heat up, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I let them simmer for about 20 minutes. I'm going to shut the heat off there. Oh, it looks so delicious. So what we want to do now is we want to strain and let these cool off before we add the shine. Don't add the alcohol before it's cool, because it just cook off the shine, right? All right, so let me put this. So I got a big measuring cup and a screen. And I'm going to just sit there and let them drain for a while it's cooling off. Look at that beautiful juice. Alright, so like I said, I'm going to let that drain for a little while. I think I'm going to just set this on top of the pot. Alright, I'm going to let that drain for a while, like I said, and let it cool off, and then we'll be back and we'll be ready to finish this up. Alright, everything is cooled down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put everything in this pot and mix it. Put my cherry juice in there. And then I had a little bit of juice that drained out of the cherries yet. Okay. And then I got a quart of shine. And we'll put that in there. All right. Now it's just time to give it a little quick stir. Let's put it in some jars. All right. Let's see if I can do this without making a big old mess. Look at that. Ain't that a pretty color? And then you could taste it, well, and then decide if you want just a little bit more sweetness or just leave it alone. It's totally up to you. It is your recipe. I'm calling this a sweet tart cherry moonshine. I don't know. I don't think it's called a cherry bounce. That's why I didn't do that. Divide this up between these 3 jars. What if I pour it now? Almost done. Room left if I wanted to put a little more shine in there, huh? I might. You never know about me. Alright. Damn, that's just about perfect, ain't it? Okay. There we go. Now the real fun part is we get to give it a taste. I mean, look, the color's beautiful. It's nice and dark. Wow! I don't think it needs any more sweetness. I mean, I'm getting a little bit of sweetness, but then you get a little bit of tart hitting it back behind that. Oh, man, that is nice. That is real nice. Put a lid on them. Yep, people will enjoy that. Put a lid on that. Oh. Okay. That is our sweet tart cherry moonshine. Sweet tart cherry moonshine. It is fantastic. Will I do this one again? 100%. Yes, I would. Got to make sure I put some labels on that. I think everybody would enjoy that. Well, I made a mess. Alright. I hope everybody enjoyed Moonshine Wednesday this week. We'll looking forward to seeing you next week and see what shine we come out with next week. So I guess the last thing I got to say is, hey, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time here on Moonshine Wednesday. Cheers, everybody. Yum.